Hi, welcome to KKStudio 1. I hope you enjoy my video. This item I purchase at lazada.com.my. The price is around $6. The outside packing is still looking good, but let's see inside. This is model number WR601. Collar clip type wireless microphones are widely used in teaching amplifying, conference amplifying, performance amplifying, monitoring and home entertainment. It's a bit cracked here, but hopefully the device is still in good condition. It is very convenient to use, as long as the receiver is plugged into any amplification devices, which can be inserted with microphones and amplifiers, and the effective distance is about 15 meters. This is the receiver, which is normally put at any amplifier or audio mixer. This is the transceiver. Normally user will carry this with this small microphone at stage or event. Here is where you put the battery 9-volt. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you enjoy this simple unboxing. Have a nice days.